Hello, I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite hydration packs if you're looking to go minimalist. This is the Fox Racing Lowpro Hydration Pack. This pack features 2 liters of storage with a 1.5 liter hydration bladder. This is going to be the perfect hydration pack if you're looking to run extended laps at the motocross track and be able to have water with you and not have to pull off the track. This is one of the only hydration packs I've ever seen out at Milestone or at Glen Helen. Now, just so you can get an idea of how small and how compact this Lowpro hydration bladder is, let's take a look at this portage unit from Fox Racing. This is going to be the average size hydration pack that you're going to find out there from most manufacturers. This is a 3-liter bladder, and this backpack holds about 16 liters of total capacity. This backpack here is going to hold just 2 liters of capacity and a 1.5 liter water bladder. It's going to give you half the amount of water, but the amount of space that this takes up is way more than half of that unit that we just looked at. Now, some of the other features and benefits you're going to have here is as the hose comes over the shoulder, you're going to have a nice carrying strap right here. It's going to keep this thing in front of you at all times. It's not going to flip back behind you and cause a problem. You're going to have this chest harness here across. It's going to be a nice chest clip allowing you to keep these shoulders exactly where you want them. The shoulder straps are a ventilated mesh to keep you as cool as possible. Now, because this is so light, there's no padding built into there. It's really just a piece of mesh fabric that's been seam sealed on the sides, so you have support and rigidity, but you have complete airflow. Moving around to the back, you're going to notice we have 2 zippered compartments, a larger one here on the top and a smaller one here on the bottom. That way you can keep your goods separate. Smaller items here, larger items here, and they're not going to mix down at the bottom, creating this large pocket of heavy stuff at the bottom. You're going to have separate compartments that allow you to keep those items separate and the weight distributed the way that you want it. Now, in order to get into this Hydra pack, you're going to go ahead and open the inside, and you're going to notice the water bladder itself right here. Like most hydration packs, you're going to have some sort of carrier at the top. In this case, it's going to be a piece of Velcro or hook and loop that you're going to pull up, put around the top of that bladder, and then set it back in place. That's going to allow it to be able to maintain its shape as the water gets depleted out of that pouch. Now, if you're running headphones, you have a nice little headphone pass-through right here, so you can put your phone, your MP3 player, whatever you're using to play music, in this pocket, seal it up, and then pass that cord through here. Then you can then come up and feed it through the same channels that your hose is going through. Like most hydration systems on the market, you can swap the hose from one side to the other if you're more comfortable having it come over the left side than the right side. Moving back around to the front, we're going to have a 45-degree bite valve, which is very convenient. When you have your motorcycle helmet on, it's really easy to get this bite valve up into the proper location. The 90-degree valve kind of sticks out a lot further, and it's a little bit more difficult to get up underneath the helmet. This Fox Racing Hydration Pack is the perfect minimalist option if you're looking to take some water with you out there on the trail or onto the track. Carry a couple items with you, but not be overladen with a huge backpack that's going to flop around. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in to this quick walk around of this really neat tool. If you liked what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this to come directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe.